Dear students, today we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. Look at here. Kanta has been reading for 2 hours. The act of reading started in the past and is still continuing. Here, he has been waiting since morning. The action of waiting started in the morning and is still continuing. Look at, it has been raining since Friday last. The act of raining started last Friday and is still continuing. So, we can say present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began in some time in the past and is still continuing. That is still ongoing. In Bangla we can say কোনো কাজ পূর্বে আরম্ভ হয়ে এখনো চলছে। পূর্বে আরম্ভ হয়ে এখনো চলছে এমন বোঝালে we use present perfect continuous tense. Look at the structure. Subject plus auxiliary verb have been or has been. Principal verb present form ing plus extension. Look at, in this extension we will see time is mentioned. Time is mentioned in the extension. বাংলা বাক্য চেনার উপায়, বাংলা ক্রিয়ার শেষে ছ, ছি, ছে, ছেন বা তেছি, তেছো, তেছে, তেছেন ইত্যাদির সাথে একটি সময়ের উল্লেখ থাকে। এটা খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ যে একটি সময়ের উল্লেখ থাকে। তাহলে আমরা বলতে পারি প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে একটি সময়ের উল্লেখ থাকে। দ্যাট ইজ, হিয়ার উইল ফাইন্ড আউট টাইম ইজ মেনশনড। লুক এট দ্য এক্সাম্পল, I have been living in Pabna for 10 years. আমি 10 বছর যাবৎ পাবনায় বাস করছি। বাংলা ক্রিয়ার শেষে দেখতে পাচ্ছি ছি, দেখতে পাচ্ছি ছি এবং 10 বছর একটি সময়ের উল্লেখ। 10 বছর একটি সময়। I have been, look at the structure. I, that is subject, have been auxiliary verb, living, that is ing with present form of principal verb, and in Pabna for 10 years, that is extension. That is extension. In the extension, time is mentioned. Okay. Kanta has been reading for 2 hours. Kanta 2 ঘন্টা যাবত বইটি পড়িতেছে। তেছে, that is বাংলা ক্রিয়ার শেষে তেছে, বাংলা ক্রিয়ার শেষে দেখতে পাচ্ছি তেছে এবং একটি সময়ের উল্লেখ আছে 2 ঘন্টা, একটি সময়ের উল্লেখ, দ্যাট ইজ 2 ঘন্টা। লুক এট স্ট্রাকচার, কান্তা সাবজেক্ট, হ্যাজ বিন অক্সিলারি ভার্ব, রিডিং, দ্যাট ইজ ing with the present form of principal verb, and extension, time is mentioned in the extension. He has been waiting since morning. তিনি সকাল থেকে অপেক্ষা করছেন। সকাল থেকে একটি সময়ের উল্লেখ আছে এবং বাংলা ক্রিয়ার শেষে দেখতে পাচ্ছি ছেন, দেখতে পাচ্ছি ছেন। Look at the structure. He, subject, has been, auxiliary verb, waiting, that is ing with the present form of principal verb, since morning, that is in extension, time is mentioned. So in present perfect tense, what is the structure? Subject, auxiliary verb have been or has been, and principal verb present form ing plus extension. and in the extension of present perfect continuous tense, time is mentioned. Now the question is, when will we use for and when will we use since? Look at, for the period of time we use for. When the time is not specific, we use for. But when the time is specific or point of time, we use since or we can use from. Look at, when the name of day, we use since or for. Month, we use since or for. Year, we use since or for. Age, we use since or for. Date, we use since or for. Look at, like, that is since Monday or from Monday. Month, since January or from January. Year, since 2010 or from 2010. We use since or from. Look at the example. I have been living in Pabna for 10 years. 10 years. 10 years, that is for the period of time we use for. Kanta has been reading for 2 hours. 2 hours. Look at, a long time, that is period of time. We use for. Look at Monday last, that is Monday, Friday, Saturday, it may any day. So you may use from or since because this is specific. This is point of time. So for the point of time we use from or you may use since. Look at, he has been working since or from 2010. So 2010, it's a specific time. Here you may use from or you may use since. Both are correct here. Okay. Another important note, that is, if the subject is I, we, you, they or plural, we have to use have been. If the subject is he, she, it or any singular, we have to use has been. Now, different forms of present perfect continuous tense. We have read the affirmative form, isn't it? Okay. Students, when the question is to write down the structure of present perfect continuous tense, you have to write down the structure of affirmative form with an example. Do not forget to write down example. Okay? Okay. What will be the structure? Subject plus auxiliary verb, have been or has been, plus principal verb, present form, ing, plus extension. An example, that is, I have been living in Pabna for 10 years, or you may write, Kanta has been reading for 2 hours. Now, negative form of present perfect continuous tense. In the negative form of present perfect continuous tense, we have to just put a not. Just put not after have or has. After have or has. Look at, I have not been living in Pabna for 10 years. After the auxiliary verb, have or has. Kanta has not been reading for 2 hours. He has not been waiting. He has not been waiting since morning. Look at the structure, subject plus auxiliary verb, have or has. And just put not after the auxiliary verb. And then been, then principal verb, present form, then ing, then extension. Interrogative form of present perfect continuous tense. To make the interrogative form of present perfect continuous tense, we have to just put auxiliary verb have or has before the subject. That is, auxiliary verb have or has plus subject plus been plus principal verb present form ing plus extension. And here you have to give interrogative sign after the sentence. Look at this example. Have I been living in Pabna for 10 years? I put auxiliary verb have before the subject I and put an interrogative sign after the sentence. Okay. Has Kanta been reading for 2 hours? I put auxiliary verb has before the subject Kanta and give an interrogative sign after the sentence. Has he been waiting? Has he been waiting since morning? I put auxiliary verb has before the subject he and put an interrogative sign after the sentence. Nothing else. Okay, students, now you have to read translation from your book, page number 94. That is present perfect continuous tense translation. Okay, thank you students today up to this. Thank you very much.